The Malaysian Prime Minister himself attended the unveiling of this machine, a device that helps Muslims save the planet while praying for the salvation of their souls. A Malaysian company has created an automatic wudu performing device that uses a lot less water while helping people perform the exact same rituals.
Normal wudu, an individual uses about 8 to 10 liters of water, whereas this machine only uses 1.3 liters of water. So the water saving itself is a motivational factor for people to adopt this system rather than the conventional method of doing wudu, where there's a lot of water wastage.
The machine has automatic sensors and basins to curb water usage. The firm, AACE Technologies, is counting on countries in Africa and the Middle East to purchase these machines as water is scarce in these regions. They will be available in the next 6 months for $3,000 to $4,000 apiece.
Nothing is impossible. Of course, we are trying ways and means to come up with new products, those that can save mankind, those that can save nature.
Going green seems to be the next big trend across the globe. Combine that with the spiritual fervor of one of the fastest growing religions, and you'll have people saving the planet 5 times a day, 7 days a week. Unum Muneer, DawnNews.